Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Again, going over our daily update on our intraday swing and long perspective as we're leading into tomorrow's jobless claims after yesterday's CPI higher than expected, but lower than our prior month. What exactly are we looking for that confirmation to continue on higher has been the question that we have been asking ourselves, and we have been looking for that bullish candle structure as we are respecting our 20-day moving average, and now we are sitting on an engulfing candle, looking to see if we can break our resistance here at 416. I'm going to go over exactly what will give us confirmation. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, looking for those major volatile breakouts that you want to be watching throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here, looking at our intraday perspective off the bat here is, again, we were bouncing off of our 20-day moving average as our 20-day moving average has been crossing above our 50 here, showing us that possible shift from bearish into bullish momentum. And again, we have been mentioning that we have been crossing above the up end of our channel here. Again, we did get our morning star set up. We continued on higher as we did respect our 20-day moving average here, curling up here and looking to see if we will get that retest and possibly get that momentum to the upside. We are now getting an engulfing candle to the upside. So in my opinion, going into tomorrow, if we pass 416, then in my opinion, we can continue on higher. That is what we're looking for going into tomorrow. We have an engulfing candle as we are now respecting our 20-day moving average. So again, if we continue on past 416, going into tomorrow, in my opinion, intraday, we will get that momentum to the upside. So again, that's what we're looking for. But in my opinion, very much looking to see if we can hold above 416 going into tomorrow. That will be key. And again, with tomorrow's jobless claims will be either that rejection. So we want to see exactly what tomorrow's jobless claims comes out as. Again, we don't want an increase in jobs. We want to see if we can get that increase in unemployment to see if we do get that continuation. Again, as Powell has been mentioning, again, with our recent meetings, looking for that increase in unemployment. Looking at our MACD here, again, looking at our overall strength, as you guys can see, our 12 has been crossing just below our 26, still hovering just below our 26 here. So again, if we happen to continue on with our 12 below our 26, then we will continue on with that decrease in strength. However, if going into tomorrow, we do continue on past 416 and we do get a cross with our 12 and our 26 here back higher, which very much could happen. We will see exactly what happens. But again, this will be what we're looking out for here. Again, our 12 crossing back above our 26, closing tomorrow above 416, in my opinion, gives us that continuation on momentum. And looking at our swing trade perspective, as we have been looking at our intraday perspective, there will be no surprise when we do get a rejection. So if we do, again, not close above 416, there will be no surprise here, as we do still have our 20 weekly moving average that has to cross above our 50 weekly moving average, and we are now curling up again, looking to see if we can cross here. And we do have to assume the same thing as we did on the daily chart, which is that we do have to retest our 20 weekly moving average at some point for that, again, bullish candle structure, possible engulfing candle. Again, that's what we're looking for. But again, going to tomorrow, as we did have a close on our inside bar last week, and we're looking to see if we can close with this continuation on this inside bar. We'll see exactly what happens. But again, making sure that we are cautious, still looking to see if we can close this candle on the week, as we are looking for our 20 weekly moving average to cross above our 50 weekly moving average to have that continuation on momentum. And looking at our MACD here on our weekly chart, very key, as we are now crossing above the median of MACD. Again, we have been mentioning, again, that's why we have been getting more bullish momentum. We finally have been crossing above the median of our MACD here with our EMA lines, giving us that continuation on momentum. And as you guys can see on our weekly chart, looking to see if we can close with an increase in strength, which would give us that possibility of continuing on above our prior buy pressure points, and that will be more confirmation for swings to continue on higher. So again, keeping that in mind, again, we do need our 20 weekly moving average to cross back above our 50 weekly moving average, and that we do need to retest at some point here. And in my opinion, we will get more confirmation on that strength and that setup with that increase in buy pressure on the MACD. And that will be our confirmation for those continuations. Now, looking at our long perspective, again, looking to see if we will close this candle higher here. We want to see if we can close our prior month's candle above our 20 monthly moving average here. That will be key. Again, we are currently testing our 20 monthly moving average here. So again, we are very much looking for that continuation, as we are currently just testing and looking to see if we can close above our 20 monthly moving average to show that we can continue. And the largest watch on our monthly chart, the largest watch that you want to be watching for that continuation on that long-term momentum will be our 12 and our 26 here. Again, we have been crossing lower, still below here, giving us that possible bearish outlook long-term still. again, as we did cross lower here, we have been continuing on lower. So again, looking to see if our 12 and our 26 will cross above here on our MACD, on our monthly chart, will be very key. And again, jumping back into our intraday perspective, as we are leading into tomorrow's jobs reports, again, our prior jobless claims have been showing increases in jobs, and that has been giving us pullbacks. But again, our recent non-farm payrolls were better than prior. So we'll see if we do get that bad jobs report that a lot of people are looking for that anticipation of possible rate cuts. So we'll see exactly what tomorrow's jobless claims comes out as. Again, just taking it one day at a time. I know the market can be pretty overwhelming. I know that there's a lot going on in the world. There's a lot that we can be thinking about. But as far as what we're thinking about day by day, staying focused as a trader or as a swing trader, whatever type of trader that you are, making sure that you're focused on technicals, letting the plays come to us, and again, just staying ahead of the game is exactly what we want to continue to do. Again, looking at the technicals show us exactly what we're looking for every single day. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, any volatile breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, all of you Instables, I appreciate you guys continuing to go at it. Stay patient, take with the markets as we have been. Very choppy today as we had our digestion on CPI, a very nice bounce back here on the SPY. We'll see if we continue here. We'll see if we can get above 416, hold above it, our prior high here at 418 that we need to consider. We'll see exactly what happens tomorrow. Again, jobless claims coming out 1 hour before market open. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.